Planning a stress-free family vacation starts with having the right gear. It's essential to set the stage for a smooth and enjoyable trip by ensuring you have all the necessary tools and equipment. From travel-friendly strollers to essential packing organization tools and comfortable kids' travel clothing, each item plays a crucial role in reducing stress and enhancing the overall travel experience. By introducing the concept of stress-free family vacations and emphasizing the importance of having the right gear, families can proactively address potential challenges and focus on creating lasting memories together. When it comes to travel-friendly strollers, the focus is on convenience and functionality for families on the go. The top picks for travel-friendly strollers prioritize features like compact folding, lightweight design, and durability. These strollers are designed to easily fold and unfold, making them ideal for navigating busy airports or fitting into compact car trunks. Their lightweight construction ensures easy maneuverability, while their robust build guarantees long-lasting use. By discussing the best strollers with these key features, families can make informed decisions to ensure hassle-free travel with young children. Packing organization tools play a vital role in streamlining the packing process and optimizing luggage space. Items such as packing cubes, compression bags, and travel organizers are essential for efficient packing. Packing cubes compartmentalize clothing and essentials, maximizing space and keeping items organized. Compression bags remove excess air, reducing the bulk of clothing items. Travel organizers ensure that toiletries, electronics, and accessories are neatly arranged and easily accessible. By highlighting the importance of these packing organization tools, families can simplify the packing process and enjoy a more organized and stress-free travel experience. Finding the right kids' travel clothing is essential for ensuring comfort during long journeys and versatility for various weather conditions. The best clothing options for kids prioritize comfort and adaptability, allowing them to move freely and feel at ease during travel. Additionally, these clothing options are versatile enough to accommodate different climates at the destination, offering flexibility for changing weather conditions. By exploring the best clothing options that fulfill these criteria, parents can ensure that their children are well prepared and comfortable throughout the journey, regardless of the destination's climate or temperature changes. Family-friendly travel tech is essential for keeping everyone happy and entertained during the journey. This includes must-have gear such as portable chargers to keep devices powered up, entertainment devices like tablets or portable gaming consoles to keep boredom at bay, and navigation tools to ensure seamless travel. By showcasing the latest travel tech options, families can discover innovative solutions to enhance their travel experience and keep everyone engaged and content while on the move.